Hello and welcome to Grereo 4th 2025 Festival happening here in Honiara, where Isabel Youth, together with the support from the organizers who are actually volunteering to make this event another successful one. And today it's the official opening of the first day. It's a 2-day program, and it will be cultural performances where there are traditional dances, not only preserving our culture but also learning and also valuing the effects of the changes that this world brings, especially in modernization and technology. And we are valuing our youths, who will be the next generation, carrying all the traditional cultures and values forward. I will take you through the grounds as we will actually talk with some of the participants for this year's Grereo Festival. Follow me. And yes, Staka Ward lo Ysabel Province, and me come looking Susubona Ward. Hello, who name you?
David.
David, how do you feel for part of Grereo Festival for this year?
I feel happy too much. Me enjoy na how me feel kakam lo ya.
And okata traditional dances play fala where you fala lanem come and prepare for event here. How na you sem one fala young boy, one fala youth plus Susubona you looking.
Hem on fa important one number 2. From fasaha for dim na ota customs, ota traditionals o sem blomi fala.
Thank you so much, David. Enjoy celebration, player.
Thank you.
And also Japan Award, one fala award lo Ysabel Province too, and okata tu part lo Grereo Festival. How do you feel being part of the festival?
Yeah, be part of the Grereo. So me bara feel happy, yeah, and me happy lo. Small team lo fala, like yang fala good too much. I mean the good part of it, like me fala lane mota new generation, like from mota old ones, like ota all on us. So for me fala make him culture him life back. Time ota all ones lanin ota young one. Me fala bara ya bara good too much for, and him bara him good for like culture. Me fala no for die, him by no die, by him still go on kind of the new generation kind of thing.
Looking ota especially ota old ones blame me where okata you me looking at around lost stall to lo this a lot time, and very thankful and acknowledging them too for okata actually the ones that are passing over. Your comments?
Oh yes, for me as a chairman of Japan Award, me looking at aunties, ota big ones, and to come and stop with me fala, me bara feel happy for good. Precious lokata, him bara big sambil lo me fala. Thank you.
Thank you, and enjoy the celebrations. So there we go, that's Japan Award here in the Youth Hub, being part of the Grereo Festival. And I'm going to take you through to another of the stalls and visiting the other members where ota part. Do you for what can word?
Tatamba word.
Little bit story come Tatamba Ward and how you prepare for Grereo.
Me fala happy that me fala part of this Grereo Festival. Though me fala prepare last minute, but we make it. I'm happy for be part, and every youth look forward for perform 2 days festival.
Para youth engaging and also hemi part lo you meet to for try for preserving more traditional dances and song, and Miss looking star kayang one from Tataba.
This fala word mostly no any adults, mainly the youth, and me feel very proud that every youth should take up lead for arrangement and so.
Happy celebration.
Yes, thank you, Sen.
Yes, we have seen youths, been around with youths, but behind every youth are our elders, our mothers, who are continuously supporting youths, especially in this type of events. Okay, who name you?
Riani Hatamane.
Riani Hemblo Havule Ward, and I am also being part of this festival. And how are you looking after our youths and preparing for dance?
Me happy too much for always preparing Havle youths for Grereo festivals, and me always make sure that Havle youths must ready everything bloketa for Grereos. Me always have grateful and privileged for help bloketa youths for oketa Grereo festival. For make sure that culture blo mi fala lo Havle hem no die out, and mi fala always must perform during Grereo sem chance blomifala for lane mota young ones blomifala for continue on lo culture blomifala.
And so with behind all the preparation comes the team that actually behind the scenes are working tirelessly to make this event a successful one.
Preparations for this Grereo, it started off a silent one. We kept it a low profile preparation, and then it came a bit more louder as the week started to come towards the date. The first proposed date that we had was in the 4 weeks break Blota Pikinini. That was time ota supposed for have this fala festival. But then some hiccups came along, and then we started to think of another date, and this was the only date available where 1 week break lota every Pikinini. Just thank you lo every supporters where ota sponsor a big thank you to Solomon Islands Visitors Bureau for their sponsorship, and for all the others who are helping me fala for making this fala event possible.
And we wouldn't take up much more time. Behind me, we're starting off with the cultural entertainments here at the HCC Youth Hub, and it's gonna be a 2 days program. And if you have nothing to do, or you wanna come and spend the time learning something new about the traditional cultures of Ysabel Province, make your way down.
Sarakao,